So, you're preparing to apply for college, right? Well, here's the deal. Colleges aren't just interested in your grades and test scores. They want to know the real you, the you beyond the academics. So, how do you make yourself stand out? Great question. In this video, we discuss how to identify ways to make your college application stand out so that you can get into college. When crafting your application essay, aim for a personal and authentic tone. Let your experiences, your accomplishments speak for themselves. Instead of worrying about what you think the admissions committee wants to hear, focus on sharing what you want them to know. Are you passionate about social justice and actively involved in your local community? Are you a dedicated athlete with goals of competing internationally? Maybe you're an up-and-coming entrepreneur with a fresh side hustle and a clear vision for the future. Make sure to highlight all these aspects in your essay. Now, what I need from you is to consider the following when writing your college essay. Number one, does this essay reflect my true identity? Number two, does it transcend mere numbers and statistics? Number three, does it effectively convey my voice and my purpose? And number four, ensure grammatical accuracy to make a strong impression. What, you feeling stuck? Don't worry about it. We got your back. Share your drafts with us and we'll provide you with valuable feedback within a week. Best of all, it's completely free because we believe in your potential. Now, believe it or not, grades are cool, but where else have you put in the work? Sports, clubs, volunteering? Colleges want to see your diverse interests. And hey, if you got unique experiences like helping out your family business or organizing fundraisers, bring that to the table. It's all about showing your skills beyond the classroom. And remember, it's not just about what you do, but what you learn from it. Showcase those skills, they matter more than you think. Listen, make sure to include awards and accolades you received, whether you've recognized for your dedication, earned a scholarship, you led a team. Be sure to highlight these achievements in your college application. If you haven't created a comprehensive application yet, don't worry about it. Utilize our template and we'll offer you valuable guidance to make your application even stronger. And remember, your journey to college is about you, your passions, and your potential. Let them see the real you. And don't forget, you can always text us #hello to 335577 and get support from one of our college advisors. Now, until next time, like LeBron says, keep striving for greatness. You've got this. And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and advice. Like this video if it has helped you out and say hello in the comments. See you next time. And my name is Latrell with Get School, and listen, the most valuable commodity I know of is information, and you already know this. To get more of that, follow us here at Get School. Peace.